Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to walk you guys through absolutely everything I use Canva for in my business. So if you don't already know, Canva is this free website program that is basically your graphic design best friend. I have no graphic design skills whatsoever, but I use this program all the time to create beautiful graphics for business. And when I say I use this all the time, I literally mean I'm on this website at least 2 or 3 times a week. Like I'm on here all the time. So I'm going to walk you guys through exactly what I use this program for and how. So I have the free version of Canva. So everything on here is completely free. I don't have the paid version. Maybe one day I'll upgrade, but not right now. So when you go onto canva.com, you have all of these possibilities. So you can do literally anything, but you can go through and explore for yourself. I'm just going to take you right through what I do. So all my designs are here. I'm just going to walk you through one by one what I do. So the first thing is I sometimes do these collages on my Instagram stories. So like right now I'm having a pick this or that. And so, I have all of these on here and I just upload them right to my Instagram stories and I do all that in Canva. Super simple. The next thing I do is I make all of my Pinterest pins in Canva. So I have this document of 15 different pins and I created some of them. I got some of them from templates from other people. I got them by scrolling through Canvas templates forever. And what I did was I changed them all to my brand colors and just going through, I have so many different kinds of pins. And every time I have a bunch of pins I need to make, um, I have one, like for example, if I'm doing your biggest blogging questions answered, then I'm going through and I'm adding them to, I scroll through and whatever pins I think will look good in that, I add it. And then over here in the upload section, I have all of my photos. So I have all these photos I continuously pull from and pull into these all the time. So I have everything I need right here. So all I really do is I change the words, drag in a new picture, save. So going through this makes my Pinterest making super easy, and it takes like a few minutes and I have like 10 pins for that. So that's all my pins. The next thing I use it for is my YouTube thumbnails. So I just have the standard YouTube size, and then all my thumbnails right now have this little blue paintbrush and then these words. So normally it's like an image of me, but this was the most recent one I made. I'll just come in, drag here, and then I will upload one image really quickly. Say it's this one, putting it to the back, and then I will move it around so that I'm centered or whatever, and then I'll move the words over like that. So that's literally how I make all of my YouTube thumbnails. It's the easiest thing ever. The next thing I do is on my Instagram, and I later put these into Pinterest, I alert my followers on Instagram stories, the new blog posts, and the new YouTube videos. And so this is just one template that I use. It's literally the same template. I just changed the background color because people could immediately see if it was a blog post or a YouTube video. And every time I just come in here, I change out the words, I drag in an image, and it's so quick. So I do these a month at a time, and it maybe takes me 10 minutes. So those are really nice. And the next thing I do is the same thing as this first one. It's just in a different format. Some other things I do, for example, I'm going to start making these. I've already made a few, but I still need to practice with it. But these are posts that I'm gonna put into Instagram, so into the actual feed instead of just Instagram stories. And I got some of these templates from Jenna Kutcher. Got some of them from a paid course I got called Go Viral Get Paid. All these things, so you can see what types are in there. I was looking for inspiration for these. Whenever I have a freebie, like this was a freebie I made it in Canva. You see it scrolling through right there. This was just a template that I found with them and I loved it, and I created it and made it my own. This was an announcement that I wanted on Instagram stories, so I just made it very quickly with one of their templates and then made it my own. This was a checklist that I made. Again, it was some sort of template and I changed it and made it my own. This was I actually made for school. This one I made for school, but you can even see um, just the variety of things, and it really doesn't take that long. And my teacher and my classmates were so impressed with this. They were like, oh my god, this is the prettiest thing ever, and it took me like 30 minutes max. This is a checklist I found. This was a Facebook cover. that I really wanted. So all of these, this was my Guide to Skyline Drive that I made in here. This is the first version. The second version is coming out soon if it's not already. So I made all of that in Canva. This is my YouTube banner. I made it in Canva. All I did was upload the dimensions, upload my photo, and then upload my logo. It was in there. And then all of these are old Pinterest pins. So I really use Canva for absolutely everything. It is so fast and easy. But yeah, if you guys have any questions at all about Canva, let me know. I can make an in-depth tutorial of me actually making my Pinterest graphics, of me actually making my YouTube thumbnail. What do you guys want to see from Canva? But yeah, that is pretty much it. So thank you guys for watching.